Today we're going to draw Huggy Wuggy. All right, let's start with his arm. His arm is extremely long, so we are going to take up just about half of the paper with his one arm to get started. And we're going to move along right to his hand, which kind of looks like a monkey hand. I'm just going to draw a little finger crease here and a big fat thumb. You know, this might take you a couple of tries, so don't get mad at yourself if you don't get it on your first try. Right now we're drawing the round body. It's almost squarish, actually. The bow is very easy. You just do 2 loops and 2 downward curved lines for the strings. The other arm is drawn in a similar manner as the other arm, with little hairs here and there. Don't forget your little jaggy hairs. This guy's furry. Okay, moving along, we have to do the other hand. Again, he's a lot like a monkey. I'm going to do his monkey foot. Very bulky, with 2 center creases. Draw the fur above the foot too at this point. Just makes it easier to find your way. The other foot, make sure the thumb or big toe is pointing inward. Do 2 creases in the middle to separate the toes. Draw a little fur on the top. And now go up to the waist and connect the 2 areas. The legs are very long, just like the arms. So you don't want to make a long upper body. Your point is to make long arms and legs with little hairs everywhere, as you can see. Get ready because the eyeballs are coming up and you're going to have to try to make circles. But before we do the eyeballs, it's easier to draw the mouth. You're going to start very high up with the mouth and curve around. Then you need to dip down, and up. It's almost like a duck mouth. The inside of the mouth also circles down and around, and then down, up. This is the fun part, the teeth, because they have no rhyme or reason. They're just pointy and going into the center. And you don't want to be too careful here because he has a lot of teeth even hidden deep inside the mouth. So you can just keep making jaggy lines up and down and up and down. And then try to fill in a little bit, but don't be perfect because you want to have little white jaggy things inside the mouth as well to look deep in and see layers and layers of teeth. All right, here's the time you're going to want to draw the eyeballs. So as you can see, you don't have to be perfect to begin, but you're actually going to draw 3 circles here and then just fill in the one part because he has white around his eyeballs. So you can touch up if you mess up, but you're just going to go around, leave a space, go around, leave a space, and see there's white in the middle of the eye. So you're just looping round and round and then fixing your circle in the end. And don't worry, he's hairy, so they don't have to be perfectly round. But to do his hair, it points up above his eyeballs, then almost like he has ears. So just go around the mouth with your little jaggy parts. Now go on up around to make the other ear. And as you can see, it's pointy. And then just come down to the chin. And you're just about finished now. You could even stop right now. But I'm adding little hairs, little jaggy hairs all over the body. Kind of like little V's or check marks. Because I'm going to color him in. And this will just add depth. But like I said, you can stop right here if you want and color it. It's just I want him to be hairier. On his face, I'm not going to use jaggy marks. I'm going to do little lines on his face because I don't want to be too distracting. So just little dashes like boom, boom, boom. All right, so now I'm not going to hand color this whole thing because it would just take up all of your time. So we're just going to fill this in. I think you know how to color. You just color in the colors. Now let's just take some darker blue and fill in some areas, like do little dashes to make him even hairier. I think that would look really good. Then after that, we're about done. I think Huggy Wuggy wants to make some friends. So he's gonna become a good guy and start whispering good stuff into people's ears. Thanks for watching.